Hello everyone and welcome to battery powered product reviews. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and review of this wireless microphone. I can say it's the cheapest microphone that I could find on Amazon. Many of you have complained that my voice is not clear, so let's unwrap it. It's for Android phone and it has Type-C receiver and it has two microphones. So let's open it. Oops. See what's inside it. So it has, oh, packaging is nice, kind of. So it has two microphones. I believe I need to charge them before use, but we're gonna check it. And it comes with two of these kind of filters. And the receiver itself, let's plug it into my phone. Oh no, that's what I was worried about. So this is not long enough because I have a protector on my phone and this one doesn't pass the protector, so I need to pause the video and remove my protector. Okay, so I'm back and I removed the protector from the phone. As you can see, it's not a thick protector, but still didn't go through. Let's plug it in. And one thing that I noticed is when you so let's test the microphone. Test, 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 test. Hope you enjoyed this one and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It helps me a lot. Thank you.